are religious people here, guided by our faith to stand up and protect the land. We are supported by our community, which are right there. We are here with the support of not just the people, but the forests and the environmental protection movement globally. We will not leave here. We will stand here until this forest is rebuilt.
61 people are being charged for racketeering, which is illegal organizing, just to organize to defend this forest. What's next? You won't be able to organize to form any local group, even your local PTA.
Mm-hmm.
They're criminalizing people organizing who will push back against whatever they want to do.
I'm doing this because this planet is so important to me. I wouldn't be here, none of us would be here without the soil beneath our feet, without the trees that give us oxygen.
The Weelaunee Forest was once the home of the Muskogee Creek peoples, and it was taken from them. The Muskogee have a life-affirming, sacred relationship with the land and other sentient beings that should inform our relationship with all of nature. It is also troubling to me that this training facility is in a predominantly Black community in DeKalb County. It is institutional racism at work when communities of color are repeatedly degraded, this time by the presence of increased militarism in their own neighborhoods.
The corporations that are empowered to make the decisions that affect our lives are not going to make the right decisions. So we have to stand up and take our own future into our own hands through direct actions like this. We need as many people as possible to join in this fight of nonviolent direct actions. The more of us that are willing to take the risk and come out here and put their bodies on the line to save the forest, then we will win. It's ultimately up to us whether we win or not.